Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to check WhatsApp chat backup on iCloud. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, simply go ahead and open your WhatsApp application and then simply go ahead and head into settings. Now, go ahead and scroll down until you find the chats option and click on that. Finally, once you've clicked on chat, scroll a little bit down and click on chat backup. And this is where you can simply go ahead and view the last backup timestamp. To verify it within the iPhone setting, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into your settings. Then go ahead and click on your name tab on the top. And finally, go ahead and click on iCloud just like that. And finally, click on manage account storage. And then you can simply go ahead and head into your WhatsApp, or you could just click on see all just over here and then go ahead and look for your WhatsApp right over here and then verify it through here. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.